This is the solution video for section 9.2, problem number 4. A cup of coffee with a temperature of 202 degrees Fahrenheit is placed in a 72 degrees Fahrenheit room at T equals 0 minutes. The temperature is changing at a rate of negative 65 e to the negative zero point 0.5 t. To the nearest degree, what is the temperature of the coffee at T equals 4 minutes? All right, so what we need to realize, first of all, is that this is given to us. That's the rate of change of the temperature, right? So I'm going to call that like d capital T dt. It's the rate at which the capital T temperature is changing with respect to lowercase t time, right? So that's dt dt, right? Negative 65 e to the negative zero point 0.5 t. Now remember, the negative is because the temperature is decreasing as time goes on, right? All right. And so this rate would be negative, right? All right. Now, what else are we told? At T equals 0, the temperature is 202. So we can say T of 0 is 202 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, it also says it's placed in a 72 degrees Fahrenheit room. That number is like irrelevant, right? It plays a role in the rate at which the temperature is changing, but it is not a number that we actually need to do this calculation, right? So remember, we would need to integrate this temperature function in order to um, do this. But what we're going to do is we're going to turn this into a definite integral, right? So the integral of the dt dt, the rate of change of temperature function, so negative 65 e to the negative zero point 0.5 t with respect to t, right? But we know the temperature at 0. We want to know the temperature at 4. So we're going to integrate from 0 to 4. Now, what does this find? Remember, this is going to find the change in temperature from 0 to 4. And so that means we're going to take the temperature at 4 and subtract the temperature at 0, right? And so now, okay, this is a value that we can calculate. T of 0 is 202 degrees, right? And so then we're going to take this value and add 202 to get T of 4. So T of 4 is going to be whatever that calculated value is plus 202, right? And so what we're going to do is we're going to calculate that value. So go to your calculator, integral from 0 to 4 of negative 65 e to the negative 0.5 t. All right, so I'm going to do math 9, all right, and I'm going to do 0 to 4, right? Integral from 0 to 4 of negative 65 e to the negative zero point 0.5 x. All right, and then we're going to integrate with respect to x. All right, and so this calculated value is negative 112.406. Now, what does this mean? This means that the change in temperature is negative 112 degrees, negative 112.406. 0.406, right? So this is how much the temperature changes. So we're going to take the negative 112.406 and add it to 202. So then we're going to take this and we're going to add 202. And so we're going to get the final temperature of the coffee at T equals 4 minutes is 89.594. So approximately 89.594 is going to be the approximate temperature of the coffee in degrees Fahrenheit.